Today's episode of Cooking for Kyle, we are going to shuck some raw oysters and eat them. So the first thing that we're going to need is some crushed ice. Now you're going to want to go to your refrigerator and open the door, and there should be a large styrofoam box with a lid in here, and you want to pull that out. I assume if there was one in my refrigerator, there'd be one in yours. We're going to unbox it and pull out the little cold packs. And there we go. There are our oysters in a big onion bag. Like that. Beauty. Next we're going to put on our gloves, which are probably important since they shipped with a knife. I've never done this before. I don't have any idea what I'm doing, but it seems like something I ought to be able to figure out. So we're going to open up the oyster somehow. I've not looked on the web on how to do this, so hopefully we'll see how long it takes me to get this open. There's probably like a weak spot in here. Probably should have looked up how to do it. Seems like admitting defeat. I probably don't want to do this over my ice. Yeah, this is hard, guys. I think I'm gonna have to look this up. So I did Google it, but before I could get to the video, I just tried a different oyster, and I was able to get that one shucked. So I'm gonna go back to this one and see if the same technique works. Yeah, just like me telling Lisa she's gonna kill herself with her. Wait, not Lisa. Veronica with her. I probably shouldn't watch that video. I'm gonna kill myself when I'm gonna cut a thumb off, but oh wait, yeah. All right, there we go. There it is. Oh yeah, there it is, baby. And then we cut it off, and now we're good to go. Oh yeah, and we can set it over here on our ice bed, and we'll do this 12 times. All right, so I've done a few of them now. I've done 5, and just some of them are easier than others. First one I pulled out was a pretty difficult one. But what you got to do, if you can kind of find they're basically two shells coming together. If you can find the place where they need to be pried apart, get your knife in there. And
I thought this one's going to be easy, but this one seems... I'm sure that people who know what they're doing could do this a lot faster than I can. Also trying not to stab myself. Does make an interesting video. Oh, it broke instead of coming apart. Must be poking in the wrong place. There we go.
Got it off, and okay, now you can pull the shell out there. And then we, so there's our nice oyster. And we gotta separate it from its mooring here, so that whenever it's time to eat it, we can just slurp it right out of there. There we go. We'll put it on the ice. Nice. Let's try it again. Let's see, where do we go here? First one I got this back joint here. Popped right open.
That works for something, apparently. Apparently the biology teacher here to tell me how to do this. Oh, got it. Yes. Found the seal. There we go. It's easy if you find the right twister. Do it. Voila. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're more than halfway done. Oh, see how easy it is if you find the right place to start? Amazing. Oh yeah, it's gonna be some good bass. I should position these so you can see them. It's so beautiful. And then we're gonna take a little bit of lemon juice on each one of these. You don't want to like put too much extra stuff on them. You don't want to dilute that delicious oyster flavor with a bunch of sauces. Maybe a little bit of salt, some lemon juice. Now we're gonna take one of these little beauties, pour a little bit of salt on it, and just slurp it right out of the shell. A little bit too much salt. Pretty good.